I want to begin by hearing your insights, what you have picked up from your global counterparts about the state of the global economy and trade in some ways.
Thanks, Siddharth, for having me on your show. I think it's an honor to be here. As far as the talk in Davos is concerned, the India story still continues to be positive, despite whatever couple of quarters we have had, degrowth or the growth not happening as much as we have anticipated. From a global economy perspective, I think there are certain challenges and there are certain uncertainties both on the geopolitical environment, particularly on the tariffs, what you mentioned. Everybody is concerned how the trade and tariffs are going to behave, how it is going to impact China, India, and obviously, rest of many countries, what they're talking about. But my assessment is that India, that way, has diversified its export, both in terms of product range as well as the markets. So, even if assuming that, there's going to be some action on the tariff side, we believe that it is not going to really impact India in a big way. As far as the economy is concerned, the stability of banking system is strong. If you have seen the financial stability report, which is released by the RBI recently, the stress test indicates that the bank balance sheets, the financial system balance sheets are strong enough to, face any challenges which are going to happen.
Shock.
Yeah,
right.
yeah. So obviously, the capital buffers are sufficient. But the yields going up in the developed economies obviously will compel central bank to look at, some rate cut somewhere in the February itself. That is our assessment. Yeah.
Do you expect the changes that we saw in yields globally, is that phase over, or do you expect that to continue? And if so, how far?
The yield movement, of course, in the US with the recent change in the political helm of affairs, obviously had moved up, and that volatility probably will continue for some time, both in terms of yields of the securities as well as, that yield movement will impact the capital markets across the globe, including India. So I think this uncertainty will be there for a couple of months.